Hello everyone, how are you? Our lesson today will be about multi-digit subtraction, and it will be similar to the multi-digit addition but with a few differences. The first thing we need to talk about subtraction, or we have to take in our consideration, which is that the order of the subtraction is matter. So in the previous class we said that in addition you can switch the places or the order for the numbers that you are adding. Like if you're adding 4 plus 7, it's the same for 7 plus 4. And if you're adding 459 plus 15, it's the same. If you start with 15 and add it to 459, you will have the same answer for both equation. But if you are trying to do a subtraction or multi-digit subtraction, you cannot switch places. You cannot change the place of each number. So you always have to start with the bigger number. It's 5 take away 2 equal 3, and it will never be like 2 take away 5, because already you have to start with the bigger number to have a logical answer or a good answer, or excuse me, otherwise you're going to be confused. Now, before I start subtraction, I need to make make sure that I have to do some few steps. The first one, if I want to find the differences between 584 and 53, I have first to stack them up. So to make my equation easier, or to do the subtraction easier, I need to stack them up to order them this way, and I have to make sure that the number that you're taking from is in the top. So the number I'm going to take away from it's going to be in the top, and the number that you are taking away is in the bottom. Okay, so the number that you are taking from, it's in the top, and the number that you are taking away is in the bottom. One more thing that you have to make sure that we already mentioned, that the bigger number should be in the top. Okay, so it should be on the top to have a logical answer. And the last step, which is to put the order. Okay, so you have to line up all the ones on the ones places and line the tens on the tens places, and don't forget to line up the 100 place. So all the ones lined up, the tens lined up, and the 100 lined up. Okay, let's take a few exercises so we can understand more. The first one, it's 783 take away 15. So we are taking away 15 from 783. Okay, so I have 783 and I need to take away 51 from it. Okay, so the number that I'm going to take away, it's 51. I order it, or I stack it up. I put all the numbers on the hundreds place, tens place, and units place, and I lined up under each place. I put the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, and the 100 under the hundreds. Okay, now if I want to find the answer, I will start with looking at the subtraction sign, which is it's over here. This is the subtraction line. Then now I will start subtracting from the ones place. So the most important thing, that you have to start always with your subtraction from the ones place. I will start taking away 1 from 3. So I'm taking 1 from 3. If I subtract 1 out of 3, I will have 2, and if I have subtract 5 out of 8, the answer is going to be 3, and 7 take away 0 equal 7. Okay, but now I want to check my answer. If I want to make sure that my answer is correct, how can I do that? I have to follow some steps, which are that you have to add the number in the bottom. So as long as you have, this is the total, this is the big number over here, and you take away over this number from it, and you have these left. So these are left from taking away this number from this number. So now you have to add the number in the bottom. You have to add the 51 plus 732, which is the answer. And in all, you should have 783 over here. So if you add these two numbers together, you will have the number in the top. Over here, number on the bottom plus the answer, that's how can we have the number in the top. And if you have correct the same numbers, so your answer is correct. So if I want to check, I will add 51 plus 732, and I will have as a total 783. Okay, let's take some exercise, another exercise over here, 446. Take away from it, we are taking away 246. First step, I need to stack them up, hundreds, tens, and units. I start with the units place. I will write the answer for the units place, then subtract the tens place. 4 take away 1 equal 3, and 4 take away 2 equal 2. And if I want to check my answer, I need to add 216 plus 230, and I will have 446 in all. Okay, now here another exercise. These exercises and this lesson is in your textbook, page 90, remember. Now I have 984 and I'm subtracting or taking 850 out of this number. Okay, I will stack them up to make my subtraction equation easier, and then I will start 4 from the units here. 4 take away 0 equal 4, 8 take away 5 equal 5 take away 8 equal 3, and 9 take away 8 equal 1. So my answer is going to be 134. Okay, 34, and I will check by adding the 850, the number on the bottom, with the answer 134, and I will have the number in the top. It's the number in all. Okay, now I will do the exercise on your own on textbook page 92. Textbook page 92. Please write it down on your book with me. Hold a pencil and hold your book, and please write the answers on your book. Now I will start with find the differences. For the first one, it's 285 take away 43. It will be 242. I will start with the ones place. This is 5 take away 3 equal 2, 8 take away 4 equal 4, and 2 take away 0 equals 0. Okay, so this is the answer. And over here, this stack it up. 0 take away 0 equals 0, 5 take away 3 equal 2, and 4 take away 1 equal 3. So this is the answers. These are the answers. Okay, over here, I have 898 and take away 273. 8 take away 3 equal 5, 9 take away 7 equal 2, 8 take away 2 equals 6, so you have 625 down here. Okay, on D, 611, take away 200. Please try to do it yourself now. We stack them up. Start subtracting the ones place here on your book. Can you write the answer now on your book, please? 1 take away 0, you will have 1. So I have 1 take away 0, another 1, you have 1, then 6 take away 2 equal 4. So this is the answer. Now can you help me do these exercises? Yeah, write them down on your book, please, and try to do them faster than me. Okay, I will write the answers over here. When I subtract 1 take away 1, 0, so 6 take away 6 equals 0, and 200 take away, I think it's 200. Okay, B. I have 395 and 70. If I want to take away 5 take away 0 equal 5, 9 take away 7 equal 2, and 325. The last, C, 454 and 142. You subtract, you take away 142 out of 454 to have 312. And the last one, it's like you are doing backward 100, one step on hundreds place. So you are just taking away from the 100 place. You have 639. You are stepping one step back on hundreds. So you have 539. Okay, now I will read the last question for you. There were 719 pupils in the playground. 300 of them went to their classrooms. How many pupils were left in the playground? How many pupils left were left in the playground. So I have in all, I have 719, but 300 they just went away. Okay, so went away back to their classroom. So we have to take away 300 out of the 700. Okay, so I have 719, but the 19, nothing will happen to it. So I'm just taking 300 out of the 700, so I'll have 719. Sorry, 419 out of the 719. Okay, here, Peter has 133 fewer marbles than Joe. So if Joe has 389 marbles, how many marbles does Peter have? Okay, now I have the bigger number, which is, so Joe have 389 marbles. So 389 marbles, but he has fewer, 133 fewer. So I will take away from it 133, and the left I will say that these the marbles that Peter have. Okay, so if I take away 133 out of 389, I will have 256 in total. That's how many Peter have. Okay, so this is our lesson for today. Thank you for watching the video, and please do your homework. It's on workbook page 67 and 68, except question number 4, the star, with the star. Okay, I don't want you to do number 4. Thank you for watching the video. Please do the homework and send it to me on the WhatsApp. Thank you.